All right, boys. Tonight, we settle this. Who scares his girlfriend the hardest? Loser buys food. Let's do this. Zoe.
Oh my god! What the hell is wrong with you?
That was insane. Yeah, that was good. Mira.
Nope. Hold on.
Huh?
Back off. Leave his body. You are not welcome here.
Okay, stop. It's me. Rumi.
Oh, absolutely not. Get out of him! You picked the wrong house!
Wait, stop. It's me. Rumi, chill. It's just me.
No, Gino would never do something this stupid. You're still inside him. Nice try. Give me my boyfriend back. This chocolate is amazing.
Oh, they left some for me. Finally, it's mine. What the hell is this? Hair?
See? I told you he stole your hair. Are you crazy? Give me back my bombs.
I thought it was chocolate. Ouch, I'm sorry.
Perfect. Don't touch my hair ever again.
No!